So to begin with the demonstration for Lastleaf, I have got 3 mobile phones here, as you can see, and this Wi-Fi dongle, the 2G 3G dongle from Suracom, as I received my Suracom kit, and this is my Lastleaf project box that I have prepared, and this is the power extension. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch on, this works, okay. I'm going to switch on my device that's inside this box, and for the purpose of the connectivity we can use a standard internet connection from the dongle, or we can just use a cellular connection. For this demonstration I will be going via the cellular connection. I'll plug this in and I will do the USB testing part here. This isn't available right now because I haven't powered my device on. So once I power it on, the setup inside the black box, the Lastleaf box, it boots up. Now it also has got the internet connectivity from the cellular device. Of course, that can be any other internet connectivity source, just like Wi-Fi dongle or any other modem. So let's look into what the setup inside looks like. So I'm going to open this box. This is the setup. So this is what the setup looks like. So it has got a HCSR04 sensor that is set across a movable system, and it's got the Raspberry Pi installed inside with some softwares, as you can see here, and it has got internet connectivity across a cable into a mobile device, or we can use any other internet connectivity resource just like this one, which can be fitted all inside and can be made into a compact box. So what will happen actually is during a crash impact, this HCSR04 sensor will move across this rail, and then it will go closer to the board here, and hence the distance recorded via the HCSR04 sensor will get reduced, and this distance, this reduction in the distance will trigger a series of events that will happen inside of the Raspberry Pi device, and this series of events will result into a message being received into our handset, this 2G handset. As you can see, this is a 2G handset, and it hasn't got any other internet connectivity resource, so the only means that to receive a message is via the SMS services. So we will be receiving it via SMS, and I have this another device, another set for a special purpose that I will be demonstrating just now. So what I'm going to do with this device is I'm going to start an app. That's the Lastleaf application here. This app will use the Bluetooth low energy service from the device, from this device, and it will broadcast iBeacons to my Raspberry Pi with a payload of the GPS data that gets captured with this device. And what will happen is, as soon as I press the broadcast button, the iBeacons that will be broadcasted by this device will get captured into our Raspberry Pi device, which has an inbuilt Bluetooth service, and then the whole data along with the information related to whether a accident has occurred or whether some mishap has occurred, along with the GPS positioning data, everything will be uploaded to the servers. So we will receive a message to our registered mobile devices with the specified Lastleaf client. So if we have a Lastleaf box that has got a specified, that will have its own specified identity, and any other devices that will be connected across to this Lastleaf will receive a SMS alert about the positioning, about the location of the Lastleaf box, which will be inside our vehicle, and other details related to GPS. So we will have a quick demonstration about that right now. So once we turn on the Bluetooth by clicking this, I'm sure this is, if I can get a correct view like this. So, and I'll be getting the GPS data here. So it says location update failed. I will try a couple more times until I get a valid GPS signal. Finally, if you can see, I have my GPS data. I suppose there was some weather problem, and now I can broadcast this data to the Lastleaf client, and it says transmitting beacons. Now we can do it with this device. So what essentially is happening is my device is transformed into a beacon transmitter right now, and if I keep it inside my pocket or something like that, the beacons will get transmitted around me, and it's using Bluetooth low energy, so we will have a very less usage of our battery also, and we can bear with it. So what is happening is, right now we don't know, but inside this box the Raspberry Pi is continuously sending the health status of the device to our servers. We'll be talking about the server in some time later in the presentation. And now what is happening is, when this HCSR04 moves front, that is closer to this board, it will record a distance, a lower distance, and then what will happen is, just after that we will be receiving an SMS, a series of SMS alerts relating to our GPS positioning data and the device ID that's under a problematic circumstance. So we'll be waiting for the SMS. So I now have my HCSR04 moved at the front, and here I get a series of SMS messages. The SMS is received. As you can see, we have one message received. Let's see what it reads. It reports that there is an emergency for device ID 1622347. Yes, so this is the device ID for this Lastleaf set. As you can see here, we got a new message here that reads, I'll try to show you more clearly, that reads the latitude and the longitude distance. latitude is 23 and longitude is 86. That's my current position. So or you can rather say that's the current last leaf position. So that concludes my demonstration.